In our first session, we talked about how Kotlin does not allow implicit type conversions. It must be an explicit type conversion. So let's take a look at a few examples here. We originally value myInt as 100, and here we are passing the toLong method, and that does the type conversion from an integer to a long integer or a long. We can see here double value. We make this declaration and we want to convert it to an integer. So here we must pass the toInt method, and notice here it just simply truncates it. So similar to Java, it truncates everything to the right of the decimal point. So you can lose value with this type conversion, so be careful. Here is how we convert an int here, 1000 int value, to a string. We pass the toString method, and here we have a string that we need to convert to an integer, so we pass the toInt method. So, but be careful, it's got to be numeric in order to convert properly to an integer. It's got to be something that's convertible. So it's same rules as Java. It is possible to have an error here. If we just had ABC here and tried to call the toInt, that obviously would return an error. So here we see some output of our original data and the converted data. What you want to do is continue this pattern and output these final two, the conversion from our another int to string, and from our string back to an int. Let's run this now. So what we'll do is go over here to type conversion, our Kotlin class. We will right click and go to run, and we'll see here our type conversion here, and we can see the data loss right here for our conversion from double to int. So please look out for that. Thank you so much for watching these videos on Kotlin arrays and types, and stay tuned for our next videos.